The Arkansas Supreme Court recently ordered the Secretary of State's office to count every signature collected by the group behind a proposed abortion amendment. Secretary John Thurston and his office now has to count them all by 9 Monday morning. While the counting has resumed, there's also another hurdle. A court also needs to rule on whether or not the decision to get rid of signatures gathered by paid canvassers without the required paperwork should be overturned. Right now, both sides say they are happy with the Supreme Court justice's decision.
We do feel the Supreme Court right now is upholding democracy and the rule of law, and we're excited to see what they'll do next. And more importantly, that they're validating the voices of the volunteers and signers that came out and worked really hard to get those signatures.
Arkansas Attorney General Tim Griffin issued a statement. It says in part, quote, "I am pleased with the Arkansas Supreme Court's narrow order. AFLG failed to meet all legal requirements to have the signatures collected by paid canvassers counted, a failure for which they only have themselves to blame." Secretary of State John Thurston's office also released a statement saying, quote, "The Secretary of State's office has seen the Arkansas Supreme Court's order and will comply with that directive." 3 of the state Supreme Court's 7 justices wanted to grant AFLG another 30 days to get the signatures they think they would need to meet the requirements along with the order. AFLG says they are hoping the count Monday will sway more justices.